Hello, Jamie here from Craftmania, and today we have got a reveal for you. Now, normally I have a box, but the box has already been opened, it's already been priced, and I have got goodies to share with you. We are talking over 40 brand new products from Polkadoodles, and there is a little bit of everything for everybody. So we've already got it out, it's already here. Let's give you a flash, shall we? So there is brand new Celebrate dies. These ones should be $14.99 and are reduced to $13.49. And as you can see, you're going to get all of your loose letters. You can lay them out as you wish to, but you've got the ability to use the pieces that come out as well as the aperture as well. When this cuts out, you're going to have that beautiful effect. You could then even paper piece back into it. That's going to be such an incredible one for all of the reasons we celebrate throughout the year. Whether it's birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, New Year, the choice is yours. Now, while you're celebrating, have a little look at these, because these ones are balloons with tails and extra additions. Again, $14.99, currently on offer here at Craftmania for $13.49. And as you can see, you've got thank you, I love you, congratulations, birthday, hello, and celebrate as the different tails coming off of them. And then you've got decorations to go with them as well. That is a super, super handy set, whether you use the wording on their own, the balloons on their own, or of course use the two together. Now, slatted dies are all the rage at the moment, aren't they? You've seen several appear from my brand, you've seen several appear from different brands. Polkadoodles are now doing their own collection, and these ones are just as beautiful and effective. We have got the circle and we've got the heart. Both of these should be $11.99 individually, but they're on offer for £10.79. Now, I have a feeling these are going to be ones that are going to become a true staple in your collections. Then we move on and we have got this beautiful heart frame, weddings, anniversaries, Mother's Days, birthdays, the list goes on of when we're going to be wanting to reach for this one, because it's got this beautiful delicate heart running throughout it and this kind of open little kind of rope design running around the first layer, slightly different on the next one, scalloped on the next one, pierced on the next one, and that delicate little heart in the middle. So lots of elements for your pennies. Now this one should be $12.99 on offer for £11.69. We then move on to our flowers. Now look how dainty this is, isn't this pretty? And again, lots of elements in here. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers and 2 pieces of foliage. So 8 dies in total for $8.99, should be $9.99. Then we move on from there and we've got these beautiful scribbled hearts. Now the hearts, again, lots of components here, lots of individual pieces that can be used together or individually. Should be $6.99, reduced to £6.29. Then we've got kind of and there's an official name to this, and I can't remember what it is. I want to call it dangling hearts. Heartstrings is what this one is. So we've got our 2 different hearts hanging down on strings that, of course, you could use with acetate to turn them into like little bongy bits on your cards if you want to. You could make them look like faux ribbons. You could, of course, cut them down and just have the heart elements. You could use them as bauble effects. Lots we're going to be able to do with these. Very pretty, very delicate, and again, coming in for lots of occasions, especially with wedding season just around the corner. That one should be $8.99 and is on offer for £8.09. Then we've got some foliage. Now these are nice big foliage pieces, and there's 2 main dies in this set and then another little one. Oh, I don't know. No, just the 2. I thought that was a separate one, but it isn't. It's all together. It's the same kind of styling, but 2 different sizes. Very nice, very effective. Should be $8.99 and reduced to £8.09. Then we move on to this one. So this one, again, lots in this set. We've got 4 main flowers, the central part, and 2 pieces of foliage to go with it. This one's only $8.99 on offer, down from $9.99. True essential to have. We can never have too many flowers, can we? Then we've got this beautiful bow with its tag. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking at that bow and I'm kind of in love with that. Look how delicate and precise that is. That is so pretty. And then with these little dots on here, I feel that we could go in and add some dimension and glitz to those. And the tag, beautiful little heart detailing running across the bottom of it. And of course, this pierced kind of detail running around the edges of it as well. Then we've got this little element hanger with the heart. Maybe you're going to use that to actually thread through and support this. Maybe you're going to use it as the middle to your bow. Lots of options to go with that one. This ribbon heart tag die should be $6.99 and is on offer for just £6.29. Now, to be honest with you, I would expect to pay that for the bow alone or the tag alone. So to be able to get both of these pieces for $6.29, incredible value. Oh, now these are interesting. These are the dies to match up with the stamps we're going to have a little look at. So stamps come separately, separate set, that's the party fun stamps, but these are the die set to go with it. So the stamp set should, oh the die set, sorry, should be $14.99, on offer for $13.49, giving you all of the components you need to match up with the stamp set. The stamp set should be $12.99 and is on offer for $11.99, was it? $11.69, sorry. But as you can see, all of them pieces are going to come in, so you can cut out your donuts, your nice exotic drinks, your birthday cakes, your birthday presents, and of course your sentiments as well, all matching within that die set. So giving you both the die and the stamp set for, I don't know, what's that, roughly £25-ish, maybe a little bit more, down from about £28. So great saving to be had if you go for both of those. Then sticking with the stamp and die set idea, we've got our lovely birthday cake one, and we've got OMG, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, with some balloons. Then we've got happy birthday, and we've got a very, very pretty cake. Look at this cake. Look at all the detailing that's on there. That is stunning. I love this. That's a need, isn't it? Think of all of the birthdays and celebrations that we can send cakes for. There's lots of occasions for those. And that stamp is only $11.69 on offer, and the die set to go with it is $13.49. Now we have lots more to get through, so let's speed up a little, shall we? Then we've got our larger sets. This one again, celebrations in mind. We've got our birthday cakes, we've got our Make-A-Wish, we've got balloons, we've got flowers, we've got all of our bottles and champagne glasses. And again, we've got the stamp and the die set to go with those. Then we move on now. This is another one I want to add to my personal collection. This is the sheet die, so that I mean one big die that's going to match up to this stamp set, and this is all on one stamp. There's no matching. This die has little markers on it that you match up over the top of that once you've stamped it. So all of that coordinates perfectly to go ahead and cut out all of these pieces for you. And you have got lots of different sentiments. What have we got on here? Hey there, lovely. Happy birthday. Hello. Wishing you the happiest birthday. Just a little something. You always make me smile. Another year of beautiful moments. Happy Easter. Birthday wishes to you. You're the best. Just because. Just popping in to say hi. Hope you're feeling brighter soon. Get well soon. A little hello from me. Love you. Here's to one more trip around the sun. Just because you're so lovely. Wishing you a beautiful day. Let's celebrate you and your birthday. Happy anniversary to you both. Thinking of you. Sending you extra strength for the days ahead, and congratulations. So there truly is a little bit of something on there for everybody, and that stamp set is down to just $13.49 and the die set down to £17.09. That's an essential. I think we all need that one. I certainly know I do. It's one I'm going to have to add to my collection. Speaking of things I'm adding to my personal collection, this is coming home with me as well. Don't tell Pete. This is just a little note. I love a typewriter. I love flowers. I love this style of flowers. And to then have the ability to match it up with the die set to cut all of them elements out, to me, that's a no-brainer and one I need in my collection. So stamp and die set all coordinating, again, 10% off of each of those. Then we've got the sending love. So this one is our lovely birdies. We've got flowers, we've got butterflies, we've got sentiments. We've even got the little mouse popping his head over here. And of course the die set to come along and coordinate and match up to all of those pieces. Then we go a little bit stencil bonkers. There is lots of stencils to share with you. We have got chevron stencils. We have got lovely symbol stencils. And these ones are like multi-layer stencils. So lots of ability to layer them up and create stunning effects with them. We've got this beautiful pattern. Is there a better picture of that? There isn't, is there? But beautiful pattern, that one. Have a look on the website so you can see these in more detail. The packaging isn't doing these justice at all. I'm going to be honest with you, that's a little bit sad, because when you see them done, they look incredible. All, of course, with 10% off. So do please check out the website to see what they're going to look like. Then sticking with stencils, we have got circles. These ones are A5. They should be $5.99. They're reduced to £5.39. We've got hexagons. We've got stars. We've got star banners. We've got happy celebrations. So again, tying in the stencil sets to go with those dies. We've got grids. We've got very cool flowers with little hearts in. We've got beautiful backgrounds. Look at that one. Ooh. That's a bit of me. I like that one. Then, this is cool. Look at this one. We go off onto football. So we've got a football player with a ponytail. I'm going to say a girl and a boy, but up to you. And then we've got a football. And then we've got football, all in stencil form. Then we have got a our ABC123 stencil. So all numbers and letters mixed together, great for birthdays. Then we've got a celebration frame style stencil with balloons and party poppers. Then we have got this one, which of course is pencils and scribbles. So a little pencil border and then some scribbles coming through over this side. We've got our kind of fishnet stencil. We have got a block it stencil. All of these have 10% off, by the way. We've got our birthday balloons and our birthday candles. They're going to work perfectly with some of those birthday dies, aren't they? Another one that's a bit of an essential for me personally is the dinosaurs. How cute are they? Then we're going round the moon. We've got stars and moons and rockets. We have got dog bones. Then we've got those layering stencils for the Celebrate collection. This is rather cool. You can see it a little bit better on here how that's going to look. We've got 4 different stencils building up the words Celebrate. And of course you can then go in and multicolour them. And then we've got a couple of paper pads. So we've got the Big Moments paper pad, which again coordinates heavily with that birthday collection. So you're going to see happy birthdays and cakes and stars and stripes and lines and bunting and all of them bits. And this should be £5.99 and is reduced to just £5.39. And in there you're getting 24 double-sided pages. Then we move on to this one. This is a cute little paper pad. Again, reduced right the way down to £4.49. That's beautiful. Very vintage. And then to top off our collections, we move on to MDF. So we have got the decorative plaques, 2 in that pack for just £5.39. Then look at these. These are adorably cute. Look at this. We've got little Easter bunnies. And this is a ridiculous price point for these. That whole set is down to £3.14, giving you all of those little bunnies. They're going to be so much fun to play with and create with. And then sticking to that same price point, but look at these ones. We've got bunnies and these ones have even got little bits to layer on top of them as well. I don't know how they're the same. That's amazing. Again, just £3.14. And these, oh, look at that. They're holding a little Freddo bar. How cute. What a lovely idea. Then we move on. Now, this is gorgeous. This is the Hello plaque. Isn't that stunning? Now, when we look at the reverse of this, look how many elements you're going to be able to build up and create with. Whether you choose to go for the style that they've created with it or whether you use them pieces independently for different projects. But that whole set, all of those elements down to £10.79. That's something I want to play with. That looks like a lot of fun. Then we've got the welcome plaque. Again, similar idea, £10.79 for this one, down from £11.99. And just like before, we've got all of these different components. So you can choose to build up as they've shown you on the front here, or of course you could mix and match between the collections. Then we've got Welcome to the Coop. This really cool style one with the kind of mesh background going on there. And again, this one down to £10.79. Lots and lots of components, including the chick. Look at that. And we've got the eggs in there as well. If we move this bit down, you can see a few more pieces. But you've got sheets of elements in here. There's another sheet underneath that one too, with lots of pieces on that one. So loads and loads of bits in these. I would be very tempted to mix and match across these collections because I think you're going to have a lot of fun with these. Then we move on and we have got the Dreamy Hairs. So this is like a 3D stand set with the hairs looking up at this lovely arc of stars. We've got our wooden elements coming in around the edges here as well of our foliage and our flowers. This should be £16.99 and is down to just £15.29, I believe it was. Yeah, £15.29. Again, lots of elements in that one for your pennies. Then we've got the Happy Easter Egg Stand. Now, this is an essential one to be doing with the grandchildren, isn't it? What a lovely way to present some lovely little Easter eggs this Easter. And this silly, silly price, £3.59. And you receive 4 elements in here. Your word, your stand element, and then the feet to put it up on. So not too many bits to build, but it's going to create that wonderful 3D display for just £3.59. Then we're getting towards the end now. Just 2 more elements to look at. This one is the Hi There Reef, and this one is £12.59. And again, think of the interchangeability between the sets, because this time we've got wording, we've got ladybugs, we've got flowers, we've got that little bucket as well. There's loads going on in here. Look at all of them bits and bobs in this. There's absolutely tons for your pennies. And that one is again just £12.59. And then the last element from Polkadoodles I want to introduce you to is the welcome post. Now, how cool is this? This is literally a 3D standing post. It should be £14.99 and it's reduced to just £13.49. Now, don't forget, where we're seeing these little QR codes, it says click the QR code to watch the video and more inspiration. So if you're looking at this and thinking, how do I build them? What do I do? How's that going to work? Lots of these elements we've gone past have got those clickable QR codes to give you that extra inspiration. Not only that, you've got 10% off all of the bits we've been looking through here. So you've got a great saving. And when you spend over £15 here with us at Craftmania, you're going to receive free U.K P&P. So even if you're going for something along these lines, they're heavy, they're bulky, they're big, you might be thinking you're going to pay a fortune in postage. Oh, no, no, no. Spend over £15 here with us at Craftmania and you are going to receive free U.K P&P. If you'd just like to perhaps go for the Easter stand, which was only £3.59p, then of course you can spend less than £15. Your P&P is capped at a flat rate of £2.95. If you're watching this from abroad and wondering, do they send to me here? Absolutely, of course we do. All you have to do then is check out the international ship capping price, which is just £10. And that's going to give you the ability to get all of these goodies shipped to you wherever you may be in the world for a flat capped rate of £10. If your shipping is less than £10, we'll actually refund the difference for you. If it costs more than £10, then here at Craftmania, we will pay that for you in our attempt to keep P&P as low as possible. Throughout March, we're celebrating our 22nd birthday here at Craftmania. So not only do you receive your 10% off, your free UK P&P over £15, you're also going to receive raffle tickets for every £10 you spend. One ticket per £10. So spend £10, get one ticket, £20 gives you two, £100 gives you 10. As long as it's a full £10, you're going to receive that ticket. And at the end of March, we're going to pull one lucky winner to win £100 worth of Craftmania gift vouchers that you can choose to spend in store or online. And then on top of all of that, if free P&P, 10% off, free raffle tickets to win isn't good enough, on top of all of that, you're going to get your inner circle reward points too. So for every £1 you spend, you're going to collect a point. The more points you get, the higher you go up in the tiers. The higher tiers you reach, the more you're going to save. If you have any questions about any of the goodies we've looked at today, how the raffle works, anything about the P&P, anything at all we can help you with, then please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments wherever you're watching this video, and myself or one of the team will be there to help you. Thank you very much for watching today. We look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon for our next unboxing. Bye for now.